Hi guys, it's Cara here. I'm the in-house makeup artist here at Clara Cosmetics. I'm here with my beautiful model, Renee. Are you excited to be glam?
Yes.
We're gonna have some fun with the eyeshadows and the gel eyeliners and lipsticks. We are going to do a bronze smoky eye with a pop of green. She has green eyes. I love her eyes. Can't wait. So the green is gonna make her eyes pop even more. So we have a whole range of single eyeshadows. I want to show you guys how pigmented they are and how blendable they are. And I'm just packing it on her lids to set any base that we had on her eyelids. This is gonna make any of the eyeshadows more blendable and it won't go patchy. So I have something really exciting to announce. We are launching a new brush. This is the double-ended eyeshadow blending brush. It's the only eyeshadow brush you need, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it today as well. I'm going in with a transition color, nice peach eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend that eyeshadow into her crease. Now remember, our eyeshadows are 100% pigmentation, so you don't want to be swirling your brush into the product like this. You just want to tap a little bit in, and that's all you need to show the true color. Okay, with the same brush, I'm just turning it around, and we have this little pencil brush here that you can just go in with the same transition color, and I'm just going to pop that on her lower lash line. Now I'm going in with a soft brown. I'm just going to focus this just a bit lower than her crease. So lower than the peach color. So we want to still show off the peach color. So I'm just adding more depth to her eyes with this brown. So I'm popping in the crease, but just a bit lower than, just not blending up as high as the peach color. Okay, with the same color, I'm just brushing it on the bottom lash line as well. Same as the top, I'm not going to cover the entire peach area. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Define Me brush. This is a eyeshadow packing brush and an eyebrow brush. I'm going to use the eyeshadow side, and I'm going to go in with number 7 eyeshadow, and this is a nice gold color. So I'm just going to pat a bit of the eyeshadow. You don't need much with this because, like I said, it's full pigmentation, as you can see. You don't want any fallout, so just a little tap is enough. I'm just putting it on the center of her lids to add more dimension to her eyes. Okay, the next step, I'm just going to go in with the same eyeshadow, same brush, and we're just going to pop it on her lower lash line, just inner corner. Now with the shimmer shadow number 1, I'm going to use the same brush, pop on a little bit. I'm going to pop it into her inner corner to brighten up her eyes even more. Now going back in with my blending eyeshadow brush, I'm using the smaller side, and I'm going to put on number 27. I'm just going to pop this dark brown eyeshadow on her outer corner. Just packing this on the outer corner. This is just going to give her eyes more dimension. So I'm packing it on with the smaller side, turning it around and blending it out. Okay, to define her lash line, I'm just going to use the gel glider. This is number 2 in a nice brown gold color. And then the other side, there is a smudger. The pencil gets a bit blunt, you take this out, you've got a sharpener, and it's fresh. This is a gel eyeliner that is waterproof. You could just play around with it for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, it will set and not budge. And then just blend out the eyeliner before it sets. Yep, just smudge it out before it sets. And once it sets, it will not budge. So now I'm going to go in with another gel eyeliner. This is number 4. It is a nice teal green color. And with these eyeliners, you can actually use it on your waterline. I just love how versatile these eyeliners are. You could use it on your top lash line, in your waterline, your bottom lash line. Now I'm just popping on her lash line, just a little bit, on the outer corner, halfway through her eyes. Turning around and blending it out, smudging it out. Now Renee's going to apply our Totally Lashed Out mascara. This is the blackest mascara you could get. This is going to volumize and thicken her lashes. I'm just going to get Renee to apply her own mascara. First of all, I'm just going to take off the excess. Just got to clean off the mascara because we don't want too much product. Now as you can tell, the before and after is drastic. Mascara has darkened her lashes, thickened and lengthened. Okay, now we're done with her eyes. I'm gonna go into her face. She already has foundation on. We're just gonna go in with the Naked Truth palette. This is a highlight, contour, and blush palette. We also have another 2 palettes like this for medium to dark skin tones. And then I'm also gonna go in with the Color Me brush. This is a powder brush and a bronzer, highlight, and a blush brush. Okay, we're gonna go in with this nice cool tone bronzer or contour. This is perfect for her skin tone because she is fair. It's not gonna make her look dirty, orange. It just mimics the shadows and adds a nice glow to her skin. This is gonna add back any dimension in her face that we lost from the foundation. Foundation acts as a perfect base. It just blanks you out. It's like a blank canvas. We just need to add all that back on. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush with the same brush and just put it on the apples of her cheeks. And this has shimmer particles in it, so it's going to act as a highlighter as well. Okay, if you love to glow, make sure to go in with the middle shade. This is a beautiful highlighter. Just with the tip of this brush, we're just going to apply the highlighter. And I'm just putting on her cheekbone. Now this is very pigmented, so don't apply too much. Watch how much you apply. Don't need a lot of product. As you can see, that made her glow. Okay, now that we've finished her eyes and her face, we're gonna go in with lips. I'm just going in with one lip product. This is our lip gloss, number 5. Okay, with this lip gloss, it is full pigmentation, so we don't need a lip liner or a lipstick underneath because this is full pigmentation. Okay, that's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a few tips and tricks from me. Please tag us if you try any of these looks so we could see your work. Thank you again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.